give one of you this beautiful planner from Sugar Paper Los Angeles. Stay tuned for instructions on how to enter. Today, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been watching my videos. I recently reached 500 subscribers, but I hate to call you guys subscribers because I think of you all as friends in this little Artsy Cupcake community. I have really enjoyed bringing you videos over the last few months, and I hope you've gotten some really helpful tips and some creative inspiration from me on all things life, home, health, and style. Creating videos that have a purpose, with you guys being my purpose, has been really fulfilling and the perfect extra creative outlet for me outside of my full-time job as a graphic designer. I know I have a pretty laid-back personality, so I hope it comes through on camera that I really enjoy making these videos for you, and I have this passion and mission to bring you the best content that I can. If just one person gets something out of one of my videos, then that really makes my day. So as a very small thank you, I wanted to do a little giveaway. And since we talk a lot about success and organization and productivity type topics here on Artsy Cupcake, and with the new year coming up, I thought a planner might be something that you guys would need and that you could enjoy for the whole year to come. This is the exact type of planner that I used for 2018, and it's really high quality. It held up really well throughout the year, and it actually still looks like new 1 year later. I bought this 2019 planner with my own money. This isn't sponsored or anything. Sugar Paper is just one of those brands that I really respect because their quality and their elegant designs are really spot on with what I look for in a product. Sugar Paper is based in Los Angeles, and they make all kinds of planners and journals and other paper goods. And I received my 2018 planner in my box of style last year, and I've really loved it. They call it the concealed planner, and it's fabric bound, and the pages are on a spiral, so they lay nice and flat, and they have inspirational quotes on them, and there's also the monthly and weekly and notes views for the calendars. And in my How to Be Crazy Productive video, I went into a little bit of how I plan out my schedule with my to-do lists, and this planner does go right along with that method. I picked out the chambray stripe design for this giveaway because I felt it was classic and elegant. I love the gold foil details throughout this whole planner. It really gives it that high-end look. It's 7 1/4 by 8 inches in size, so it's not too big to slip into your purse or your laptop bag. And the hardcover really helps it from getting dinged up when you travel with it. For this giveaway, the only requirement to enter is to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And that doesn't cost you a thing. Plus, you'll get some really great tips and tricks from me if you join the Artsy Cupcake Crew. I'm doing this contest through Gleam, and they make it really easy to enter. Once you show that you are a subscriber of Artsy Cupcake, then there are a bunch of other ways that you can get bonus entries, such as making a comment on one of my blog posts, or following me on Twitter, or visiting my Instagram. So make sure to get all the entries that you can so you have a better chance to win this gorgeous planner. And don't forget to tell all your friends so that they have a chance to win too. I will put the link for the giveaway in the description box below this video. So again, a big thank you to my friends here on Artsy Cupcake. I have lots of great content coming up for you in 2019, so stay tuned for that. Good luck on the giveaway, and I hope you have a very happy day.